Biodiesel from wastewater. Lipids in municipal wastewater originate from household discharge. Total load of lipids in Northwest Europe is estimated to 4.5 million tons per year within the sewage influent. These lipids can be uptaken and stored by microorganisms. Microtrix parvicella is one of the lipid accumulating organisms that can contribute to supply future energy demand. So far, Microtrix was only associated with solid-liquid separation problems, causing foaming and bulking in the activated sludge. Sewage treatment plant operators adopted different solutions to control the overgrowth of this organism. Use of selectors to promote growth of bacteria forming flocks has been of common practice within recent years. Such selectors, however, may also be used to promote growth of Microtrix if favorable conditions are selectively ensured.
So here at the CIVOM de l'Alzette, we care for the sewage network and the wastewater treatment plants that collects and treats the wastewater from a bit more than 20,000 people. The plant is located at Audintiche. It's a French little town right on the border with Luxembourg, near Esch-sur-Alzette. And we have something quite particular on our plant. It's a big white shipping container that's rather unexpected, and it's located near the inlet channel.
Inlet sewage is first pumped into a mixing tank, which is reducing the large differences in wastewater influent composition. Thereafter, this water is continuously pumped into a set of bioreactors inoculated with activated sludge. Automatically controlled anaerobic and aerobic processes are used for the accumulation of lipids and growth of the lipid accumulating bacteria. This selection is further supported with a long hydraulic retention time and adapted sludge age. From the sedimentation unit, part of the lipid-rich sludge is recovered and recirculated back to the bioreactors, while the majority is being stored for further dewatering, extraction and transesterification to produce the actual biodiesel. Before the pre-treated water is discharged back to be fully treated by the conventional sewage treatment processes, Microtrix presence is being checked, and based on the amount of solids, we add chlorine to make sure we don't cause any operational problems to CIVOM.